Obviously, number one, leadership. My experience in the game. It's just 16 for me, coming in and being a voice in the locker room, being myself, not trying to be anyone else, to try to come in and give the guys what I have as far as knowledge and go out there on the court and compete at a high level. To make a difference in the game, I'm excited about to come in and, like I said, try to make the game easier for K-Love, J.A., and DG as well. A lot of pressure on certain guys to make plays every time on the floor, and that's one of my specialties, be a playmaker, create shots for guys, and be a leader on the floor with communication-wise. I've always been an underdog my entire career, and I love the expectations of, being done or not expecting to do things. So that's what I kind of pride myself on is doing the impossible, doing the unthinkable, and this group has the talent to do it. I'm looking forward to making some noise.